My name is Karan Singh Kunwar. I am from class 3rd A. I will sing a song for my lovely teachers. We love you teachers. We praise you teachers. We thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers. We praise you teachers. We thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाते हैं, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rucha Dokle from 3rd A. Today I am going to tell you about Teachers Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Respected teacher, I wish you all very happy Teachers Day. On this special day, I pay a hearty respect to all my teachers who guide us, support us, and build our future. We always celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was great scholar, excellent teacher and second president of India. Every teacher is a reflection of students. Teachers are the backbone of our society. We are grateful for all your efforts during the pandemic situation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, my name is Saili Abhijit Bade from class 3rd A. Today I am going to speak a speech on Teachers' Day celebration. And first, before my starting paragraph, I will like to say that Happy Teachers' Day to my all respected teachers. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on 5th of September, and this occasion of Teachers' Day began in 1962. It is celebrated with great party in school, colleges, offices and everywhere. On this day, students wish for the long life of their teachers and also make various plans to congratulate the teachers. Students greet their teachers by making gifts, greeting cards, pen diary, etc. on this day. Before ending my paragraph, I will tell you that Happy Teachers Day once more, and we all must respect our elders and all our teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.
Some teacher help you to learn, but good teacher help you to discern. Some teacher compliment you to do better, but good teacher ask you to work harder. You were the best of them all for me. You made me the best I could ever be. Thank you, teacher, for reaching deep in me to find all I can be. Before I can see it myself, you never give up on me. I have a future because of you. Happy Teachers Day!
Good morning everyone. I am Prayag Raj Patra from 5th B. Today is 5th September and first I wish you all very happy Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second President of India. He was an ideal teacher. Parents give us life and teachers give us way to life. Thank you teachers for everything. नमस्कार, मैं प्रयागराज पात्र हूँ। शिक्षक दिवस की आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं शिक्षक दिवस में एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ। जीवन में कुछ पाना है, शिक्षक का सम्मान करो, शीश झुकाकर श्रद्धा से तुम बच्चे उन्हें प्रणाम करो। जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी हमें दिखाए शिक्षक, अच्छे और बुरे की पहचान हमें कराए शिक्षक। पहले हमें देते शिक्षा, फिर लेते हमारी परीक्षा। अर्थ शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताएं, कभी कभी प्यार से तो कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाए। जीवन में कुछ पाना है, शिक्षक का सम्मान करो। धन्यवाद।
Hello all my dear teachers from class 5th A. I am Agastya Kotian. Today I am about to tell a small poem about Teachers Day. Every day you greet your students with a smile upon your face. Though paperwork the night before seemed like a grueling race, money is not your motivation, it's the love for what you do. You hear that special calling to which you always stay true. Your students are your dedication, devotion is to them. To your each child is unique and special, a beautiful little gem. Some days are just demanding and frustrating, takes its course. Then you see those little faces, their inspiration is your force. There's a special pride in teachers and a love for what you do, and appreciations always showed before those little lives and you. Thank you.